Alright guys, I'm back here with another optic review overview. Got one here from US Optics. Very cool, very cool. Here's what you get in the box. Here's how it comes. Got your manual, thank you card, sticker, and then inspection. Make sure everything's passed and all that stuff. So very cool. We check them out and everything, you know. So all right, here's the foam out of the way. All right, and it just comes in the box like this. Got a clean cloth. But here is the optic itself. It's got some scope caps on it. Guys, this is the first focal plane optic. It's the mil version. Here's the everything on it. 30mm tube, red illumination, J&G mil. That's the you get a they have a couple of different options for reticles, but this is the one I went with, and I'll show that to you in a little bit. This is their tactical series. Very nice, very nice. Nice, smooth magnification adjustments. Scopes, caps, the adjustments, they are covered. So you have to remove these to adjust it. Very tactile. You can actually hear the clicks. I'm not sure if you pick it up. Very cool. Battery cap in here. It has 6 levels of brightness settings. Adjustment right here to set it in for your vision. Very nice optic. Very nice, very solid. Nitrogen purged. Etched reticle also, guys. Etched reticle, which is very cool because, like many of you know, that if you've watched my videos, you know I'm a big primary arms optic fan. I love their reticles, or their optics, and I love the etched reticle. I love that it's an etched reticle, and this is great right here that it's an etched reticle, because you never know, you know, if your optic goes down, electronics fail, you know, something happens where it won't illuminate. You know, a lot of times because of the etched reticle, you don't, in the daylight, you don't even need to use the illumination. You just don't need it. And if there's, you know, could be any catastrophic event that kills your electronics, EMP, whatever, you have a reticle that you can use at all time. It's not like a EOTech or anything like that, where it's a reticle that's just projected onto the screen, or a red dot. You know, once it fails, that's it. You have nothing to see through. You have nothing to look at. These are on there permanently. So, guys, this is a very nice scope. Let me show you some of the images I can get out of it and everything like that. So try to get some reticle images. Alright guys, I'm trying to get the reticle in there. I always have a hard time doing this. I don't have a setup for it. It doesn't look clear through the screen, but believe me, the glass is very clear. Really need to get a better setup. I really need. I've been saying that for like a year, and I haven't done it. Yeah, this thing is very nice though. The glass is very clear. Get your diopter adjusted, you know, to where your eye is. And man, it's just clear as can be. And right about there for eye relief. Nice. Very nice. I wouldn't say this thing is daylight bright, but it's pretty close to daylight bright. I'm shining it on some very bright surfaces here, and it's not washing it out too bad. But to be honest with you guys, like I say, I always use the I never use illumination on these etched reticles, hardly ever in daytime. Hardly ever do I. And to be honest, the reticle is much more crisp and things like that in the daytime without it being on. So I can see it clear, and with the light on I can see it as well, but it's just the against bright surfaces and things like that, for sure the black of the reticle, the lines stand out quite a bit. So very nice. You know, once you get your diopter adjusted in and all that, very nice optic, very nice. US Optics. Check out a mount that they've sent as well. All right, ZRODelta Cantilever Mount. This is a 30mm tube. They make one in a 34 also, and they make one in a 20 MOE down angle as well type. You got two different types. Very nice mount right here. Definitely, we will take this stuff out to the field and we will definitely run it through some paces and all that. Very nice mount. That is a very solid mount, guys. Very nice. Very nice. A little white on it right there. We go. In the box. That is a solid mount. Anyway, I'll put links down to this stuff down below. Good stuff, guys. It's good stuff. And we will definitely be taking this out to the field very soon. That's going to be my video on it. Just an overview, let you know about it, things like that. Keep it heavy.